Mix Coca-Cola with charcoal, and what happens next will completely change the way you clean forever. This little-known trick is so powerful that once you try it, you'll never waste money on store-bought products again. Honestly, it's the kind of secret that big supermarkets would rather you didn't know. Let's begin by grabbing a few small pieces of charcoal. Make sure they're brand new, nothing used or burnt. Place the pieces into a thick plastic bag, tie it tightly, and seal it well. This next step might surprise you. Take a hammer, a rolling pin, or anything heavy and crush the charcoal until it turns into fine powder. This is the foundation of our recipe. The powdery texture is essential, so don't rush. Crush it thoroughly until there are no chunks left. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Once that's done, grab a fine mesh sieve and a large bowl. Slowly sift the crushed charcoal to separate the fine powder from any rough bits. The powder that remains in the bowl? That's our magic dust. Don't skip this filtering step, or you'll miss out on the full power of the formula. Best of all, this mix saves time, money, and effort. No more expensive sprays, no harsh chemicals, no endless scrubbing. Now it's time to bring in the next element. Pour around 150 milliliters, about 5 ounces, of Coca-Cola into a clean container. This common soft drink contains phosphoric acid and carbonation that will work wonders later. You might never drink it the same way again. To this, add 150 milliliters of dish soap. Any brand works, as long as it's strong on grease. The key is that it must be capable of breaking down oils and dirt efficiently. Then, add 150 milliliters of room temperature water. This helps dilute and activate the mixture, making it easier to apply and even more effective. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring that the charcoal powder blends completely into the Coca-Cola, dish soap, and water. What you'll end up with is a rich, dark liquid with a velvety texture, surprisingly smooth and ready for action. Now take an empty bottle, an old dish soap bottle works great, and use a funnel to pour the mixture in. It makes applying the solution much more practical and precise. Got an old, stained, burnt pan? One of those you've considered tossing out because it just won't come clean? Here's where the transformation begins. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Squeeze a bit of the solution directly onto the pan's surface. With a soft sponge, start to scrub in circular motions. Don't press too hard. Let the formula do the work. In just a few minutes, you'll notice something remarkable. The dirt begins to lift like magic. The shine starts peeking through. Try it once, and you'll never clean the old way again. See you in the next video.